Hiya, Captain here. This is the M6 towards Coventry. We're in the roadworks to make it into a smart motorway. And look how close this truck is sitting to this car, bullying them. I know they're sitting in the middle lane, but if that car decides to brake there or brake down or anything, that truck is in the back of him, not giving him no distance at all. He has been flashing his lights at him to move over. Of course, you do that and they won't move. I know they're lane hogging, but surely you don't want to be sitting that close. He's backed off a little bit now. He was really close to his back bumper. Another one there. Crap driving. If that car breaks down or decides to brake, that car's buried in the back of that car there. Not good. It has been raining, so the ground is a bit wet. So yeah, it's disaster waiting to happen. Look how close he's getting now. Absolutely unbelievable. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Another one, tool. That's all you can put it down to. Crap driving and the driver's a tool. And that's what gives you the drivers a bad name. Absolutely unbelievable. You just can't get your breath. Can't get your breath. Like I say, it has been, oh my God, look how close he's getting now. Look at that, that's absolutely outrageous. Unbelievable. Yeah, like I said, I know the car is middle lane hogging and he could move over because there's enough space between me and that car in front, but there's no need for that truck to be tailgating him like that, not at all. And that's what gives the truck drivers a bad name. We all get tarred with the same brush. Jesus Christ, he's gonna... I can see the driver in his mirror and he's he's not happy. He's not happy. Yeah, like I said, I know the car's middle lane hogging, but there is no need to sit there. How close he was to the back end of that car. Just coming to the end of the roadworks now. And here he goes again, accelerating. The car's going a bit quicker now, so. But yeah, still right racing up behind him, flashing him, braking. Another truck, look how close this truck. This is unbelievable. That's it, you're going to overtake him on the inside now. Just crap driving. Unbelievable crap driving. Like I said in the past videos, lawless. People can do exactly what they want and nothing happens to them. Oh well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.